If you want to turn a Gamma project into a live website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish Gamma into a live website step by step so you can take your project from draft to live in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you've built a presentation, portfolio, landing page, or any other page in Gamma and now want to share it with the world as an actual website. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, you'll see your dashboard with all of your projects. From here, choose the project that you want to publish as a live site. Make sure you select the correct project, because this is the one that will be turned into your public website. After opening the project, look at the top panel and click the Share option. This is where Gamma keeps the publishing and sharing controls for your project. Once the Share menu opens, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll see different options for how your project can be shared and published. Now look for the section called Publishing and Domains. This is the area that controls whether your project can be published as a live site. In that section, click Enable Site Publishing. This tells Gamma that you want to make the project available on the web. After enabling it, select Publish. Gamma may take a few seconds to process everything, so just wait while it prepares your site. Depending on the size of your project, this can take a moment, but usually it happens pretty quickly. Once the publishing process is complete, you'll see the option to View Site. Click on that, and Gamma will open your newly published live website in a new tab or window. At this point, your project is no longer just a draft inside Gamma. It is now a live website that you can share with anyone. You can copy the link, send it to clients, post it online, or use it as part of your workflow. And that's it. You've now successfully published Gamma into a live website. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Gamma tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.